Hey guys, it's Prime Score, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your entire server. So the method we're going to be using today is a very brute force type of method. We're just going to delete all of our files in our server directory. And so to do this, first you want to use your FTP client of choice and connect to your server. Then select all of the files and click delete. And then it's going to delete all of the files. And then once that is completed, you're going to want to go back to your control panel, go down to server type, and go all the way to the bottom and click vanilla Minecraft and whatever version you want. Then save. Then once this is done, you can restart your server, and then it's going to reinstall all of the vanilla Minecraft files necessary to run a server. And so that is how you reset your entire server. Remember, back up anything you need before you do this, because once they are deleted, you cannot get them back. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments section below.